Do you suffer from back pain, leg pain, sciatic, herniated discs, shoulder pain, neck pain, headaches? Do you live in Westchester, Putnam, or Dutchess County, New York? If you said yes, we can help. Hi, I'm Dr. Mike Berardis of Berardis Family Chiropractic, and we've been helping people for over 30 years, just like you, to recover naturally with chiropractic care. Come on in, I want to show you around. So this is the old school x-rays we used to take. This is the analog style, but we've got high-tech, digital, state-of-the-art system where we could see your x-rays immediately and come up with a game plan that could help fix any imbalance that your spine may have. We also have a really cool decompression chair, which has been a game changer in our office. This is a Back-on-Trac decompression system that really has been a game changer for our low back patients, people with herniated discs, sciatic pain, back pain, chronic pain. It's been really amazing. And then let me bring you back into the healing sanctuary. We've got two state-of-the-art CBP tables. We have them back here, and we call them our white alligator tables, but these are awesome. They help us to find not only the root cause, but to correct it. Any imbalance that your body might have with your nerve system, we get an opportunity to help fix the problem and make sure that it doesn't come back. So we've got a state-of-the-art vibration tool. We've got vibration plate therapy that we use for balance and vestibular problems. And then let's go out towards the front and I'll show you where we have some amazing staff members that can help greet you and guide you towards health and wellness. What we found is doing this for 30 years, we've helped hundreds of people to recover naturally. And what I'm offering to you would be to come in for a complimentary consultation. You'll come in, we'll sit down, I will personally meet with you, we'll go over your health history, your current history, your family history. We'll come up with a game plan that works for you. We'll do that complimentary. And the way I feel is that most people owe it to themselves to try something natural like chiropractic where they're not dependent on drugs for their pain. We've helped, like I said, hundreds of people recover naturally. So give us a call. You'll be glad you did.